Hello friend, good morning. Today I'm going to explain question from the NEET 2019 chemistry, and the code which I got is code P1, and the chemistry question is start from the question number 46 up to 1 to 45 is the physics question, and then chemistry start from 46 and it will go. Let us see the question. What the question is: the number of sigma and pi bond in pen 2 in 4 ion is. Now see the solution. How can we solve what they are saying? Paint 2 in 4 ion, this is our question. So paint 2 in means how many carbon are there? This is meth, eighth, prop, but, and this is the paint 5 carbon. Now on the second position, that is in is there. Suppose if you are counting 1 2 3 4 5, so paint 2 in on second position in, and on fourth position ion, so fourth position will be triple bond. Okay, now rest of the places what there will be the a hydrogen atom. So here is the hydrogen, here is hydrogen, and this is here is hydrogen. So 3 3 1 4, and here is 1 2 3, so here will be hydrogen, and here what will be there? 1 2 3, so here will be hydrogen, we can keep here, and here is 3 1 4, and here is hydrogen. Now to count the number of sigma and pi bond, let's see how can we count the number of sigma and pi bond. Okay, so here the sigma bond is sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3, sigma 4, sigma 5, each pi bond, each whether triple bond or single bond, they contain the single bond also, one single bond. So that is sigma 5, here is sigma 6, sigma 7, this is sigma 8, and here is sigma 9 and sigma 10. So number of sigma bond, so we got one thing, number of sigma bond equal to 10. Now we have to count the number of pi bond. Pi bond means double bond. So 1 2, or here is 2 pi bond are there. So 2 pi bond and 1 pi bond. So here is pi 1, and here is what? Pi 2, and upside pi 3. So number of pi bond is 3. So number of pi bond equal to 3. So this is matching with the option number 1. So correct option is option 1. Okay. Now this can be elaborate little more to understand. To understand this, I am elaborating the answers. Let us see how can you elaborate this answer, because sometimes the answering become difficult. So how can you elaborate? That I am explaining. So suppose here is there C 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. How sigma bond is formed? By head to head overlapping. So here I am writing. So this is the hydrogen, okay, and one sigma bond is the carbon bond, like this. With this carbon, how many hydrogen atom are there? 1. So it is there 1, and then here is the what is there? One sigma bond is there with carbon atom, and one pi bond is there. Okay, one pi bond is starting from the question number carbon number 2. So what will happen here is 1 pi. So 2 bond equal to 1 bond, 1 pi bond. 2 sigma bond equal to 1 pi bond. And what will happen here? This is again, and we have to keep in mind that what we have to keep in mind is head-to-head overlapping and lateral overlapping. So this is hydrogen, 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 because how many hydrogen are 3, 4, 5, 6 hydrogens are there. So 4, okay, 4 hydrogen, and with this one more hydrogen is there, 5 hydrogen, okay, this is 6 hydrogen. Now rest are the pi bond. Here 1, 2, this is. Now this is the pi bond. 2 bond equal to 1 pi bond, that is double bond. So here pi bond is there, pi 1, and here is pi 2, and this will be pi 3. And what are the sigma bond? If you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is also sigma bond. This is the 9 and 10. And whatever the pi bond, that is 1, 2, 3. So the sigma bond means head to head overlapping, okay. And when you are going pi bond, that is the that is known as lateral overlapping. So I hope this will be very clear to understand this number of sigma and pi bond. Now we will go for the next question, question number 47. Let us see what the question number 47 is. The structure of intermediate A in the following reaction is, okay, one reactant is given which is reacting with the oxygen giving A, and what is the structure of A that they are asking, okay. So let us see the solution of this. This is a easy problem of a direct NCERT book that we can answer, and the problem is this is based on the preparation of alcohol, phenol, based on the preparation of phenol. See, I am mentioning here CH3, this is H, okay, and what happening, it is reacting with the oxygen O2. What it will give the intermediate compound. How the intermediate compound will form, that we need to check. That is, here is CH3, and what will happen, O, and this is H. Now when you are treating with the H plus, H plus is taken from H2O, so what will happen, this acetone will be get separated, okay. So next compound they are saying, that is what they are forming, that is phenol they are forming, that is OH involved here, and plus what they are forming, CH3 CO CH3 acetone, CH3 CO CH3. So what is the intermediate? This is very simple. What is the intermediate here is, you can check out from the option. This is the option number 2. The same is there in the option 2. So correct answer is option 2. Option 2 is correct answer. So for this answer you need not to waste your time. Easily you can answer within a fraction of seconds. Now next answers we are going to see. Question number 48. The correct structure of tribromo octaoxide. No, they are saying that is tribromo octaoxide, okay. So here oxide is not important, octa oxygen, so tribromo means Br3, oxygen is octaoxide, that is how many, 8. So Br3O8, this is the tribromo oxide, okay. This is the formula. Now how many bromine atom are there? Bromine are 3. This is the Br, and the valency of the bromine is 7. So 7 how can you put? That is 1, here is 2, here is 3, and here is 1, here is 2, and here is 3. And what is left, how many? 3 bromine is okay. How many oxygen? 8. 3, 3, 6, and upside 6, 7, and downside 1, 8. So this is correct formula of the correct structure of tribromo octaoxide. And This is the parallel to what the option number 1. So correct option is correct option is 1. Okay, now what we have to go for the question number next. So question number 9. So question number 9, they are saying 4D, 5P and 5Pf and 6P orbitals are arranged in order of decreasing energy. The correct option is. So we have to find out the order of decreasing energy. Okay, order of decreasing energy. So what is the greater the value of solution I am writing here, greater the value of n plus L, greater the value of n plus L, greater will be energy. So one key point we got, on the basis of n plus L value, we can find out the order of the energy. Now when you are going, L value is what? 0, 1, 2, 3. This correspond to S, P, D, F. That you have to keep in mind. L value is 0 to n minus 1. This is what we know, that is 0. This is the value. Okay. Now for the options, whatever they are, 4D, 5P, 5Pf, 6P. These are their n value, L value and n plus L value. Okay, total we have to do. So n is 4, whatever the number prior to orbital is, that is n value, n, and D means 2, n plus, that is 4 plus 2 equal to 6. Now 5 plus P value 1. Okay, so 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Next is there 5 plus F is 3. So 5 plus 3 value 8. And here is 6 plus P value 1. The 6 plus 1 equal to 7. So this n plus L we got. Now what we have to do after getting n plus L value, we have to arrange, okay, decreasing order. So this is having highest energy, then this, then this. So order of energy, here I am writing decreasing order of energy of orbital. Okay, decreasing order. So first one is that 5Pf. Okay, then what will come? It will come 6P. Then what will come? 5P. Then what will come? 4D. This is the decreasing order of the energy. So if you see, to match with the options, this is 5P, 6P, 5P, 4D. This is option corresponding to the option number 1. Okay, so the correct option is 1. Correct option is 1. Now we will move from the next question. Let us see what is the next question is. Next question is, which of the following statement reaction are disproportionation reaction? Now we should know what is disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation. Now disproportionation reaction means the reaction in which same atom of a molecule undergo undergoes oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction. Okay. Now the A we are going to find out. Cu is there, positive 2 Cu, and it is converting into the Cu2 plus Cu0. Okay, so here you see what is happening here. 2 plus 1 so 2 plus 2, that is oxidation, and plus 1 to 0, that is reduction. So this is the example of disproportionation. Now that is, you go B number, you see what the question is there. MnO4 2 minus, it is 4H plus, it is reacting, it is giving 2 MnO4 minus plus MnO2 plus 2H2O. Here 4 to the 8 plus 6 is there. Here is what? 4 to the 8. 8 minus 1 plus 7, and here is plus 4. So if you see here, what is it is increasing and what it is decreasing. So this is oxidation and this is reduction. So this is what the example of the disproportionation, correct? And this is also disproportionation, correct? Now let us see the C number, what the C number is saying, that is KMnO4, it is converting into K2MnO4, okay, plus MnO2 plus MnO2 plus O2. Now you see that is here is plus 7, here is here is plus 6, here is plus 4. So what is happening here, if you see able to, both are reducing than 7. So this is reduction and this is also reduction. So this is disproportionation, not reaction. Okay. Now D number option, if you go, okay, if you go for the D number option, so what is there, that is 2MnO4 minus plus 3Mn2 plus is converting into MnO2 plus 4H plus. Now here the example of definition of disproportionation, the reaction in which same atom of a molecule, that is a molecule, undergo oxidation and reduction. And here you can see that is two molecules. This is just reverse of the disproportionation reaction. Here is the plus 7 and here is the plus 2 and giving into plus 4. This should be this side, that is the disproportionation. So this is also not disproportionation reaction. So correct are, what are the correct are A and B. A and B are disproportionation reaction only. So this is option number, what is option number correspond to 1. So that is correct answer is, that is option 1. I hope this will be clear to you. Now let us move for the next problem. And next problem is under isothermal condition. Okay, under isothermal condition, a gas at 300 Kelvin expands from 0.1 to 0.25 liter against a constant external pressure 2 bar. The work done by the system. Okay, so let us solve. This is the simple work done by system. Work done by system. Done by system is what is negative sign. So the pressure is constant external pressure. So W equal to irreversible process minus P del V. Now what we can do here, minus P, given what are given here, given the pressure is constant external pressure is 2 bar. Okay, the work done by the gas they are asking 1 liter bar equal to 100 joule, and what is their V1 they have given 0.1 and V2 they have given 0.25. So del V equal to V2 minus V1. So 0.25 minus 0.1. So 0.15 it will come, and this will come into liter. So minus 2 into what will come 0.15 liter, and this is what? Bar. So 15 to ja 30 minus 30 bar liter. This is coming, and we know that is the 1 liter bar equal to 100 joule. So what we can do, minus 0.30 into into bar liter are there, so we can multiply by 1000 joule. So what will come here, if you multiply, it will come 30 joule and the sign will be negative. So if you see the answers here, what is W irreversible? So it is corresponding to option number 1. So correct option is what is correct option is 1. So if you see here, this is the correct option here, and this is the correct option here. So correct option is 1. Now let us move for the next question, question number 52. And let's see what the question is. Among the following, the one that is not greenhouse gas. Okay, and greenhouse gases are what? The gases which absorb the infrared. Okay, whatever the radiation coming from the earth getting absorbed by, trapped by the gases, that is known as what? Greenhouse gases. And what are the whatever the nitrogen oxides are there, methane are there, ozone are there, chlorofluorocarbons are there, they all are the gases of greenhouse gases. Here they are asking among the following one that is not a greenhouse gas, that is sulfur dioxide. SO2 is not a greenhouse gas. Greenhouse gas, as it does not absorb radiation of sun. Okay, and what are this is so option number, correct option is option number D. Okay, there is sulfur dioxide, and this is also sulfur dioxide correspond. Now what are the greenhouse gases? Greenhouse gases, greenhouse gases, they trap the radiation of sun, and they trap the radiation of sun and increases the temperature of earth. Okay, that is known as global warming. And for example, what are there? The main is carbon dioxide, that is nitrogen oxide, all the oxides of nitrogen. Okay, then CH4 is there. Even water vapor is also the one of the absorber of the infrared radiation. Ozone is there, chlorofluorocarbon is there, carbon, that is also known as CFC. So these are the greenhouse gases. We trap the infrared radiation of the sun and increases the temperature of the earth, that is known as what? Global warming. Now let us see the another problem number 53. This is something also easy problem. What they are saying, for the cell reaction 2Fe3 plus 2I minus Fe2 plus I minus, the E cell is given 0.24 volt. The standard gives free energy of the cell reaction is they are asking. F is also given, Faraday constant 96,500. So this reaction is generally what are given. Firstly you write given is E naught cell equal to given is 0.24 volt. Okay, now 1 Faraday equal to given 96,500 coulomb. mole inverse, coulomb per mole. Now the equation is given. Let us see the equation. Fe3 plus 2I minus 2Fe2 plus I2. This question is generally the everything is given here. Okay, delta G they are asking, delta R G naught they are asking, and rest of thing already given. Formula we know. This is completely based on the delta R G naught equal to what? Minus n F E naught cell. So everything is given, only the game of is n. So they are asking that do you know that how many electron getting involved or not. So if you see this reaction, the here is the loss of gain of electron is there. 2 3 ja 6 plus 2 2 ja 4 plus means what? 2 electron plus 2 electron is there. And what is happening here? So that is loss electron and gain electrons will be equal. So if you 2 negative gone, so it becomes 0. So that is minus 2 electron. So that is loss and gain of electron is what? That is 2. That is in one case it is getting taken in, and one in case of the taken out. So here is what the minus 2, F value 96,500 into E naught value already given, what? 0.24. And if you are multiplying this, you will get the this is the bolt only. You will get that is minus 46,320 joule mole inverse. Okay, this is now this one is the, if you are putting in the kilojoule, so divided by 1000, so minus 46.32 kilojoule per mole. So this is what delta RG naught value. Okay, this is a simple based on the calculation only and nothing else there in the questions. Now let us move from the next problem. The next problem is enzyme that utilizes ATP in the phosphate transfer required an alkaline earth metal as a cofactor. In the alkaline earth metal chapter also it is given. Okay, and this is the as a cofactor which utilize the enzyme that utilize ATP in the phosphate transfer required the alkaline earth metal, and that is the memory based question, that is Mg. Okay, so magnesium is acting as a cofactor. Okay, cofactor that utilize ATP in phosphate transfer. Okay, so this is acting as a cofactor, so it is totally based on memory that we can answer. Bio student can easily answer this problem. Now let us go for the next video. And next video is very simple problem they have given. The most suitable reagent for the conversion is and what they are asking, that is the butene is there, and that is cis butene is getting formed. Okay, so if the trans is getting formed, that is we take from the, let us see solution. Okay, that is CH3 C triple bond C, CH3 if you are eating it will give CH3 C double bond C. Here is CH3, here is H, here is H. This is cis. Why cis? That is both methyl group are same side, both hydrogen group are same side. Cis butene. Okay, so cis is formed by what? Normal catalyst, that is H2NO-PDC and quinoline. So pelletized charcoal, that is an hydrogen gas absorb on that will give the cis. Okay, so this will be the option which is corresponding to option number B. So correct option is second. Now this answer can be more elaborated also for other things. Okay, suppose the compound, the same reactant is there. Okay, CH3, C triple bond C, CH3 is there, and if you are taking the reagent liquid, ammonia, sodium in liquid ammonia, so what it will give? It will give that is CH3, no C, no C double bond, here is H, here is CH3, and here is H, so it will give that is trans but 2-ene. So in case of the reagent like that sodium in liquid ammonia, it will give what? It will give that is trans butene, and in case of the H2 on pelletized charcoal, it will give that is cis butene. So this is all about this video, and next video I'll make for the other question. Thank you so much for watching, friend.